How to fix Snapchat friends not showing problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Are you tired of Snapchat not showing your friends? Then you're in the right place. So, first of all, open up your Snapchat app and then make sure that you have not unfriended or that friend has not unfriended you. Sometimes unfriending is the reason that you can't see your friend. So make sure that you're still friends. Another reason is you might have blocked that friend and you don't remember. So to make sure that you have blocked him or her, you have to go to your profile icon on the top left corner and then go to settings. Scroll down and under privacy and controls you see blocked users, tap on it and cross and tap on yes and the user will be unblocked. So it will appear on your friend list again. Now, if this is not the problem, then what you can do is go to your settings, then tap on iPhone storage and then search for Snapchat, tap on it, tap on offload app, and what you have to do is you have to reinstall the app again by going to the app store and then check again. Sometimes reinstalling or updating the app also helps to resolve the issue. If that doesn't work, you can swipe down the notification bar, restart the device. This will probably solve your issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.